How to make a parametric space frame with spider fittings. Let's start. Go to File. Let's create a new family. Select the metric and select the metric generic model pattern base. Open. Select the grid. Let's change the horizontal spacing to 1000 mm and the vertical spacing to 1000 mm. Okay. Next, select reference point, select draw on work plane, set work plane, set this plane, pick reference point, set work plane, set this plane, pick reference point, set work plane, set this plane, pick reference point, set work plane, set this plane, pick reference point. Cancel the command, select all, go to filter, check none, check reference point, apply, okay. Go to offset, pick the button. Let's create a new parameter. Let's name this height. Okay. Okay. Go to family types. Select the height and change the value to 500 mm. Apply. Okay. Select these two reference point, spline through point, check reference line. Select these two reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Select these two reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Select these two reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Next, select reference point, pick at midpoint, make sure you select draw on face, pick at midpoint of reference line, pick at midpoint, okay, pick, okay. Next, select these two reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Select reference point, pick at midpoint, okay. Now select this reference point and this reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Select this reference point and this reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Okay. Next, let's insert the adaptive 1-point sphere. This is the adaptive 1-point sphere loaded into the project. Load it to family 1. Okay. Pick at the reference point, center reference point. Okay. Select the sphere. Okay. Go to properties. Select the finish. Let's create a parameter. Let's name this frame finish. Okay. Okay. For the diameter, pick the button. Let's create a new parameter. Let's name this joint diameter. Okay. Joint diameter. Okay. Next, select the sphere. Go to temporary hide. Let's hide the element. Next, let's insert the adaptive 2.5. Okay, this is the adaptive 2.5s. Load to family 1. Okay. Pick at this reference point to this reference point. Pick and pick. Pick at this reference point and pick. Okay. Select the pipe. Let's hide the element. Go to family types. Let's insert again the adaptive 2.5. Pick and pick. Okay. Let's set temporary hide. Okay. Select this 2 pipe. Go to pipe finish. Let's select the frame finish. For the diameter, pick the button. Let's create a new parameter. Let's name this frame 1A diameter. Okay. Okay. Next, select these two. For the pipe finish, select the frame finish. Okay. Diameter. Let's create a new parameter. So this is a frame 1B diameter. Okay. Okay. Next, go to family type. Let's try the parameters. Frame 1 diameter, let's make this 75. And the frame 1B, let's make this 50 millimeter. Okay. Good. Next, select this pipe. Go to visible, pick the button. Let's create a parameter for this pipe. Let's name this tap on and off, so you can turn off this pipe if you want. Okay, this one, go to visible, pick the button. Let's create a parameter. So this the bottom pipe, on off. Okay. Okay. This one, go to visible, pick the button, create a parameter. Let's name this left on and off. Okay. Okay. Next, this pipe, let's name this right, on and off. Okay. Okay. Next, select all the components. Okay, let's hide the element. Okay, we will work on the frame 2. So select the adaptive 3-point pipe. Okay, so this is the 3-point adaptive pipe. Insert family 1. Okay, pick at this reference point, pick here and one here. Okay, let's orbit the view. Okay, next select this pipe, hide element, insert the adaptive 3 points pipe, pick one here, pick here, and pick here. Okay, let's go to 3D view, hide, reset. Okay, next select these 2 pipes, go to pipe finish, let's select the frame finish. Then for the diameter, let's create a new parameter. This is the frame 2 diameter. Okay, let's see. Okay, next let's insert the adaptive 5-point pipe. Okay, this is the adaptive 5 points pipe. Load into the project family 1. Okay, pick at this reference point, to this reference point, this reference point, this reference point, and this reference point. Okay, let's next, so we have the space frame. Next, we select all the component, or cancel, select all, go to filter, select the generic models, select. Okay, then let's temporary hide element. Okay, next select reference point, select draw on work plane, then set work plane, set the horizontal plane, set, pick reference point. Okay, set work plane, set this horizontal plane, pick reference point. Okay, set work plane, set this horizontal plane, pick reference point. Okay, next set work plane, set this horizontal plane, pick reference point. Okay, select the 4 reference point. Okay, go to offset, make a change the value to 100 millimeter. Okay, now let's insert the spider fitting, the spider one. Okay, this spider one, insert. Okay, pick at this reference point. Okay, select, then flip. Okay, let's check the front elevation. Okay, good. Next, let's insert the spider 2. Okay, this is the spider 2. Load into the project. Pick at this reference point. Okay, select and flip the component. Okay, next, insert the spider 3. Okay, this is the spider 3. Load into the project, family 1. Pick at this reference point, select the component and flip. Okay, last, insert the spider 4. Okay, this is the spider 4. Load into the project. Pick at this reference point, select the component and flip. Okay, let's check the front elevation. Good. Okay, next, reset temporary height. So we now have the space frame with spider fittings. Last, for the glass, select these 2 reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Okay, select these 2 reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Select these 2 reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Select the 2 reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Select the 4 reference line, create a form, select the form. Okay, select the form. Okay, go to positive offset, change the value to 12 millimeter for the glass thickness. Okay, next select the form. Let's create a material parameter. Go to material, pick the button, create a new parameter. Let's name this funnel finish. Okay, next go to family types. Let's select the glass material, open the material library. Okay, pick the home and select the Cris material library. Go to glass and select the 12 mm thick clear glass. Okay, now we have the glass. So go to family types. Let's change the wait, we forgot to make a parameter for this pipe. Go to pipe finish, select the frame finish. For the pipe diameter, let's create a new parameter. Let's make this, name this frame 3 diameter. Okay, now let's test the parameter. Go to family types, frame 1, let's change this to 200. Okay, is the frame 1A. Let's go back to 75. Frame 1B, let's make this 200. Okay, that's the frame 1B. Let's change this to 50. Okay, the frame 2 diameter, this is the B-shaped frame. Okay, frame 2, let's change this to 25. Apply. Okay, next the frame 3, this is the top frame. Let's make this 50. Okay, the height, you can change the height. Let's make this 800 millimeter. Let's go back to 600. Okay, for the joint diameter, you can make this 200 millimeter. Okay, let's change it to 150. Okay, now we have the space frame with spider fittings. Next, uncheck shared and let's save the file. Okay, let's name this space frame with spider fittings. Save. Okay, next, load into project and close. Okay, let's go to 3D. Let's delete this one and create a new one. Go to level 1, go to massing and site, turn on show mass, select in place mass, mass 1, okay, set work plane, pick a plane, okay, pick this reference plane, and let's select the south elevation, select spline through points, let's draw the profile of the roof, okay, cancel, go to 3D view, select the spline, create a form, okay, select this edge, let's stretch this forward, okay, now select the surface, divide surface, let's change the B grid number to 4, let's make this 5 or make this 8, and U grid number to 4, okay. Next, go to pattern and select the space frame with spider fittings. Okay, component clip check, okay, next, finish the mass, okay, now you have finished the mass, close, go to massing and site and turn off show mass. Now you have the space frame with spider fittings. Thank you.